Here we are again. These are cars.
This is fantastic.
These are mountains.
It's beautiful. It's fun. The car, it just looked great. And shoveling it's amusing for the time being.
Here, take a picture of me.
Okay, hold on.
Here I am. Here is a snowbank. As you can see, it's about my height.
And those are the cars right there.
Oh, it's horrible.
And it's full, that high. It's about 4 or 5 feet high. And you can see there's wind whipping snow everywhere. That's the intersection. Notice all these cars. None of these cars have gone anywhere for days. They've just been sitting here.
Snowy overhang on that house. Can you see it?
Yeah. That'll fall soon. And so winter, it's like a desolation zone. Uh-oh. Here comes the wind.
It's coming to get us.
That's healthy snow, honey. That's good for you. You can just drink that. Or, you know, you stick your tongue out, it makes you healthy. Alright, we're gonna go in soon.